Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for healthcare project management. First up, we need to create a new project. Sign into your UPBASE account and click on the New Project button. The reason we do this first is because it sets the foundation for everything else we'll be doing. Now that we've done that, it's time to add team members to the project. Click on the Add Members button and start typing the names of your team members. This helps us because it ensures that everyone who needs to be involved in the project can access it and contribute their expertise. Next, we're going to set up our tasks. Click on the New Task button and start adding the tasks that need to be completed for the project. Make sure to assign each task to a team member and set a deadline. This step is crucial because it breaks down the project into manageable chunks and helps keep everyone on track. Now, let's set up our milestones. Go to the Milestones tab and click on New Milestone. Add a title, set a deadline, and assign tasks to the milestone. This helps us because milestones give us smaller goals to work towards and keep us motivated. Finally, we need to monitor our project's progress. Go to the Dashboard tab to see an overview of your project's progress. You can see which tasks have been completed, which are in progress, and which are overdue. This is important because it allows us to see if we're on track to meet our deadlines and helps us identify any potential issues early on. And there you have it. You're now ready to use UPBASE for healthcare project management. Remember, the key to successful project management is communication and regular monitoring of your project's progress. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, happy project managing.